Hi my friends, let's continue learning the 300 primary German words. Wohnen, wohnen, to live. Wollen, wollen, to want. Alles, alles, everything. Weit, weit, far. Neu, neu, new. Alt, alt, old. Klein, klein, small. Lesen, lesen, to read. Denken, denken, to think. Reisen, reisen, to travel. Spielen, spielen, to play. Warten, warten, to wait. Eins, eins, one. Zwei, zwei, two. Drei, drei, three. Vier, vier, four. Fünf, fünf, five. Sechs, sechs, six. Sieben, sieben, seven. Acht, acht, eight. Neun, neun, nine. Zehn, zehn, ten. Ein, maskulin. Eine, feminin. Warum, warum, why. Wenn, when, wo, where. Hier, here. Viel, much or many. Wenig, little or few. Nice job, my friends! Let's pronounce one more time each of the new words. Wohnen, to live. Wollen, to want. Alles, everything. Weit, far. Neu, new. Alt, old. Klein, small. Lesen, to read. Denken, to think. Reisen, to travel. Spielen, to play. Warten, to wait. Eins, one. Zwei, two. Drei, three. Vier, four. Fünf, five. Sechs, six. Sieben, seven. Acht, eight. Neun, nine. Zehn, ten. Ein, maskulin. Eine, feminin. Warum, why. Wenn, wo, where. Hier, viel. Much or many. Wenig, little or few. Well done, my friends. Danke. See you next time. Tschüss.